Welcome to another interesting and knowledgeable session of Decode with Nitin.
Welcome to Laughter and Lot Size, your daily dose of Desi stock market drama. It's July 1 and Dalal Street rolled out the red carpet for bulls today. Champagne not included, but gains, gyan, and good humor? Absolutely included. So let's deep dive into today's blockbuster session, where even your Daymot account was doing Pangra.
Today, the Nifty 50 behaved like that one cousin at the wedding who dances just enough to impress aunties, but not enough to spill the drink. It ended the day near rupees 25,542, gaining around 25 points, managing to hold its ground like a seasoned yogi in a downward dog pose. The Bank Nifty, meanwhile, turned up like that late Baraati, a bit sluggish in the morning, but then it grabbed the dole and ended up leading the procession. It jumped 146 points to close near rupees 57,459, with PSU banks humming a bullish tune.
Let's talk about Apollo Hospitals, today's undisputed showstopper. The stock surged over 4.7% and touched an intraday high of rupees 7,583 rupees and 30 paise before settling slightly lower. Why the cheer? The company announced a massive demerger of its digital and pharmacy business into a new listing. The market saw this not just as restructuring, but as revaluation with style. Apollo is planning to reward shareholders with 195.2 shares of NewCo for every 100 shares held in the parent company, while still retaining a 15% stake in the spun-off unit. Think of it as sending your child to college and still keeping access to the bank account.
Other sizzling scripts included Kalpataru Projects, up 5% on bagging a juicy rupees 989 crore overseas order, and NCC, which rallied nearly 3% after securing a new project worth rupees 1,691 crore. If this was cricket, these stocks just hit sixes over mid-wicket.
Volume gainers, the noisy neighbors of the market RBL Bank, Cochin Shipyard, and Indus Towers saw volumes heavier than a Diwali sweet box. These scripts traded with unusually high delivery volumes, indicating serious institutional shopping going on behind the scenes. And no, this is not your retail investor FOMOing in on Instagram tips.
All-time high makers, the Elite Club. A handful of mid and large caps partied like it was bonus season. Shriram Finance, Godrej Properties, Bosch, Tube Investments, and HDFC AMC hit fresh all-time highs today. These names aren't just throwing fireworks, they're practically the Diwali themselves.
Apollo Hospitals obviously takes the cake here, but a close second is Kalpataru and NCC. Both infrastructure giants secured large-scale orders which instantly injected adrenaline into their price charts. None of these stocks are currently being inducted into Nifty 50 just yet, but such order flows do strengthen the long-term inclusion case, especially as they pump up revenues and balance sheets. No formal announcement yet on index reshuffles, but keep your eyes peeled mid-July. The rumor mill is just heating up.
Now the most look-for part of this episode that is forecast for tomorrow. Nifty 50 is looking comfortable as long as it holds above rupees 25,300. The key resistance now lies around rupees 25,750. A close above that, and we may just zoom toward rupees 26,000. On the downside, watch out if Nifty slips below rupees 25,200. That could open doors to some sobering retracement. Bank Nifty is holding strong above rupees 57,100. If it manages to clear rupees 57,800, the next party spot is rupees 58,500. PSU banks are leading the charge, so keep a close eye on those.
Apollo Hospitals? Is there more juice left in the rally? Absolutely yes, but with the usual rider of risk management. The stock broke out from a major resistance zone and has room to test levels of rupees 7,800 and even rupees 8,000 over the short term if market sentiment stays healthy. The ideal re-entry range for fresh traders would be between rupees 7,480 to rupees 7,540 with a well-defined stop loss near rupees 7,400. Open interest in call options surged today, indicating that smart money is still betting on continued upside. And technically, both volume and price are aligned, which is the kind of alignment even your spine wishes for during Monday morning yoga.
Now something on analyst tips from the street that are actually reliable. Top market voices are united in one theme. Avoid chasing random spikes and focus on structured breakout trades. Apollo Hospitals, Kalpataru projects, and Cochin Shipyard are on most radar screens. Mid-cap momentum is strong, so investors are advised to keep trailing stop losses tight and profits tighter. Also, Bank Nifty option writers are seen adjusting their hedges, hinting at possible big moves in the coming days. Retail traders, keep those helmets on and don't get run over by leveraged trades.
Gift Nifty is currently hovering near rupees 25,600, which suggests a flat to mildly positive opening for the Indian market tomorrow. Not much global drama to worry about, and with crude prices cooling, the bulls might just continue their trot.
That's your full power, fully verified, comedy-coded, data-backed market wrap from Laughter and Lot Size. Remember, this market might be unpredictable, but our analysis never wears flip-flops.
Before we end up this session, it is important to put the disclaimer: all content is strictly for educational purposes only. This is not investment advice. Users act at their own risk. The creator of this channel or this video is not responsible in any part if anyone incurred any loss or even the profit by this session, or any part of this entire channel, as it is purely on educational basis. You must check thoroughly with your financial advisor before making any call.
Great. Have you subscribed to this channel?
Oh, not yet.
Then you should subscribe to it if you like this content and need more like this in coming days. Though there is no hurry, you may do it whenever you have time.
Absolutely, I am subscribing to it right away.
Great, and I have done it already long back.
Wow, and now I have also.
Okay, till we come back to you with another knowledgeable session. Keep spreading knowledge and keep spreading happiness. See you next time.